I have been working in this association since I have started my practice in Nasik, and I suppose I am amongst you all only. This is something which I kept on like, yeah, I can work, but taking this responsibility is something difficult. But yes, today I do share this responsibility. And after the benchmark which Dr. Sanjay Pinsa and Dr. Satya Prakash has created, it is all the more difficult for me to but I am very honored to contribute in this journey of association. I stand before today with immense pride and gratitude as I take the position of president of this wonderful organization. Thank you for the trust and confidence which you all have shown in me. I want to express my sincere appreciation to the previous leadership for their hard work and dedication. It is their continuous efforts which have made our organization what it is today, and I'm very happy that I will be contributing in the same journey. As we move forward, I am committed to fostering an environment of collaboration and commitment. I believe that every member has valuable insight and they have their own ideas, and together we can create a space where everyone will be heard and everyone will be respected. I also want to acknowledge my family for their unwavering support. It is only because of you like I could achieve all this. Lalesh is there today with us. You inspire me daily and remind me the importance of community and togetherness. Thank you, Lalesh, for being there always. I also, in this role, I promise to work diligently, uphold our values, and address the challenges we face. Let's embrace the opportunities ahead, and together we will make a lasting impact. Thank you once again for this honor, but there are few names which I do want to mention today. Without it, this is very incomplete. When I started my practice, I was working in NDMVP, and Dr. Gugwe was my mentor all the time. The support sir had always given me was something which I would like to mention. Then Dr. Balaji Wale sir, I want to just acknowledge sir always must have supported, and sir, you are a real icon for us. Then Dr. Milind Deshmukh sir, Dr. Varta